In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. You need to start by going into Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Following that, get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can read all the informations about your Lenovo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!